Hi guys, I'm here. Bogus Vlog is here. Um, my channel was monetized last month, January 24, so I bought something as a reward. Um, Reward to all the struggles to comply the two requirements of YouTube. First is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and then secondly is to reach 4,000 watch hour. So it is not easy, guys. So if you're interested what is inside the box, so just keep watching so I can show you what it is inside. So now I can open. I start to open the box. So this is, guys, look what I have, what I bought. So this is looked. So it is gimbal. So because I'm using a cell phone, so I need this one. So this is gimbal. So I don't know how to use it. I need to learn. So I need to read the instructions so I can open the box and we looked what it is inside. Not easy to open. So So this is the instructions, so I need to read. So look, this is the box. This is it. So this is it, guys. So I'm using this one for my blogging, so we can try it. Oh, so nice, very nice. As of now, I don't know how to use it. Let me see if I can. So we can try it. I'm using mobile phone. Oh, it's not easy. It's not easy. So okay. So this is, guys, this is it. So guys, this is it. So I need to read the instructions to connect. So it's not easy to connect, but I need to learn more. I need to read the instructions. So this is, guys, this is it. This is my reward. This is my reward. And then so matagal ko na po itong ni-wish since last November. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, bibili talaga ako ng gimbal. So last December hindi ako bumili ng ng regalo. Sabi ko, saka na ako bibili kapag ma-monetize na yung channel ko. So last month, January 24, Swedish time. Ano po yun? 11 past 11 po ng gabi. So yun po, na-monetize po yung channel ko. So day after ata, or kaya ilang araw after a days. So ito, bumili ako ng gimbal. So this is my present. This is my reward to myself. Sa lahat ng pagod, sa lahat ng puyat, sa lahat ng luha, kasi hindi madali po na maging ma-monetize po yung channel. Marami po akong nadaanan, nahirap. So as of now, I'm so proud of myself to say I am a certified vlogger. So ito po, certified vlogger, at sana po marami po akong ma-vlog, marami po akong mga videos na ma-upload. So guys, if you don't kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, just visit my channel, Bogus Vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and then press the button. So kung mayroon po akong bagong video, so ma-notify po kayo. So marami po akong i-vlog, marami po akong i-upload someday. Sa ngayon, wag muna ngayon kasi busy pa. Busy pa yung busy pa ako. Marami pa akong ginagawa. So darating din ako dyan, darating din tayo. So sa lahat po sa inyo, guys, I'm so blessed to have all my friends, family, na sumusuporta hanggang sa ma-monetize po yung channel ko. So alam nyo po kung sino po kayo. So thank you so much. Si God na po ang bahala sa inyo, at sana po go lang po tayo. Kahit mahirap po maging YouTuber po, kahit pahirap po yung YouTube. So wag po kayong mag-give up. Never give up. Nasimulan nyo na yan, so tatapusin nyo rin. So ganyan din ang ginawa ko kasi one time napagod din ako. Malapit na ako mag-give up, pero nandyan po yung pamilya ko, nandyan po yung friends ko, nandyan po yung team ko. So, sa inyong lahat po dyan, thank you so much to my LGBT team. Alam nyo po kung sino po kayo dahil of royalties. Sa lahat-lahat po na hindi ko ka-team po sa YouTube po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kasi kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po ma-monetize po yung channel ko. To all the people around the world na nanonood ng mga video ko, yung video ko na sa simula pa lang parang walang kalalaman, wala talagang content yung video ko, pero every upload ng videos ko may natutunan po ako. So maybe soon, so mag-aaral pa ako kung paano po pagbutihin nyo po yung pag-upload ng video. So guys, sana po hindi po kayo magsawa na manood ng videos ko. Sana nandyan pa rin kayo, palaging sumusuporta sa akin, kasi alam ko pong susuportahan ko din po kayo hanggang maano po kayo. So alam nyo po yan. So thank you so much guys, to all my family, thank you. Mayroon na akong gimbal. Mayroon na akong gimbal. Ito na yung itsura ng gimbal. Ito na yung pinaghirapan ko po para mabili ko po ito. So nandito na po ito yung wish ko. Nandito na po yung reward ko. So binili ko po ito sa sarili ko. Para magkaroon po ako ng mga magandang videos po na i-upload. So thank you so much. And once again, so don't forget to click the bell. So, hanggang sa muli po, hanggang sa susunod na vlog ko. So, thank you so much, and God bless you all. So, thank you so much and God bless you all.